What is up, my friends? Welcome to a Clean with Confidence cleaning product review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Now I'm not going to bore you with a bunch of facts and history about the company and who founded it and blah blah blah. You want to know if this product works. So let's jump right in. So I purchased this at Walmart for a retail price of $2.94. It is a 2-pack, as you can see, and this is the 4X. You can buy this in a 2X or a 4X. It makes no difference in terms of cleaning power. All this means is that this is a little bit better quality sponge than the 2X, but it's the exact same product, cleans the exact same way, thus that's why it says extra durable. So let's open this thing up. So as far as color is concerned, it's white. I know, I blew you away with that one. All this is melamine foam. So if you take away all the fancy marketing words, the Mr. Clean and the Magic Eraser, what are you left with? What would this be called? It would be called melamine foam, and I'll explain why that's important and why you need to know that towards the end of this video. Originally, this stuff was used for insulating pipes and ductwork and also for soundproofing studios and auditoriums until one day some pioneer, sounds like my kind of guy, found out you can actually clean with this stuff and just erase the dirt right out of your life. The way that you use this is simple. As it says on the box, wet, squeeze, erase. This is supposed to be the ultimate all-purpose sponge. So let's clean some stuff, shall we? So there you have it, my friends. Magic Eraser. So before I give this a rating, let's talk price for a minute. As I mentioned, I paid $2.94 for a 2-pack of this, which is, like I said earlier, nothing more than melamine foam. When you buy this, all you're really buying is the name brand Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, but it's nothing more than melamine foam. You can actually buy these in bulk, like this. These things right here, I bought 100 of these for like $4 a couple years ago. Now, if you compare them, it's a little bit smaller, not quite as thick, and I will say that this is not as good quality. It wears out a little bit faster, but when it comes to cleaning power, they do the exact same thing. Same cleaning power, and you'll get the same thing accomplished with this that you will with this. I will leave some links to some melamine foam, some good deals, some good bulk deals in the video description box to this video if you want to check them out. These are my magic erasers. Used to have about 100 of them, now I'm probably down to about 35, 40. If you're in the cleaning business, you definitely want to go this route and purchase these in bulk. But if you're just a casual cleaner and you just need to get a little bit of scuff marks off the wall or the baseboards, clean a little bit of dirt around the house, then it might be more cost effective for you just to pay $3 to get the job done. So what am I going to rate Mr. Clean Magic Eraser on a scale of do not buy, indifferent, or a yay yay? Based on cleaning power and practical use, I'm going to have to give this product a yay yay. So that's it, my friends. That's the review. Thanks so much for checking out the video. If you liked it and you found it valuable, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up. And if you want to take our relationship to the next level, then drop me a comment down below and tell me, what do you like to use Magic Eraser for? Also, if you want to support the channel, you can do so by watching another Clean with Confidence video. The YouTube algorithm just really likes that. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter now. Got a brand new Instagram. Just started, 0 posts, but we're going to build it up. So if you want to follow us on there, that would be awesome. I would love to see you guys on there. Would love for you guys to follow me. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video.
Perceive it or not, but you better stop believing there's power in this product to decrease and devour. A 90-minute job just turn into an hour.